So we're coming at you live from F.U. Warren Air Force Base here in Cheyenne, Wyoming. I knew I heard dogs last night.
Is that a dog or is that a coyote?
That's coyotes. There's the bridge. So if you see that, back your rig up, baby.
Where are we going today, babe?
Today we're gonna head to Vedauwoo and take our in-laws there and show them around.
They want to see
Show
what
all
Wyoming's about.
See what Wyoming's about and see all these fall colors changing. This is a perfect place to do it. So come along with us.
That's big. Huh?
Yeah, that was a big one. What if it was a mountain lion that got it?
No.
This is a cool little cove, though.
Yeah, it is.
What is it?
It's really an elk.
It's an elk?
The legs are. I don't know what that is.
Oh, what did I do?
Dang.
Look at that. What are those? Those are the bones. Oh my god.
Yeah. It's a big cow.
My dad's back there.
What's that? Wow! It's dark in here.
Mom, look at this. This is cool.
This is like a cave. This is cool. We can go to Dad. Look at
Free
this.
firewood.
Free firewood. We found firewood in here.
You guys are chilly.
Okay, come on, children.
We found firewood.
Go, Roy.
I don't have my hiking stick anymore because
Right here.
I found
You got
a
any
cookie.
cellophane or anything? This is about 2-4 right here, Carter.
Oh my gosh.
If you pick it out a little bit
Mom,
like
come
that,
look at this. Look how much sap is on here.
I
What?
want to see.
Look,
Wow.
that's crazy.
then you could start a fire.
Look at all that sap.
Yeah, a little bit of that.
Look, I touch it.
Why, you want it?
Carter did that.
What's wrong? Grumpy?
our stickers. Check out our shirts.
You didn't show them the back.
Because that was
So here they winterize mid-October if there's not a freeze before then, and then April they start letting you use water and sewer again. So we're doing 6 days with no water or sewer. They do have water and sewer at the office, or sorry, they do have showers and toilets at the office, and washer and dryers. So that's our option for now for 6 days.
So we're here at F.E. Warren in Cheyenne, Wyoming at the Fam Camp. The host is Jim and Irene, and they are phenomenal. You cannot get a better camp host, and we've been all over the place, and they're just
they're awesome.
They're awesome. We've been really appreciative of them. We've been here for some time.
Yeah.
How long have we been here?
2 months, I think.
We've been here about 60 days.
Yeah.
And yeah, and we got here and we've been in the same spot. Luckily, we haven't had to move. They've done everything they can to accommodate us, and yeah. So
these ones right here are when it's not winterized. When it's winterized, it's first come first served for $15 because everything's power. So the pull throughs, these are I think 30 foot or 20 foot. These are 40 foot.
There's 2 here without a sewer, and those are 2 on the end with no sewer. But everything else is sewer, so it's all full hookups.
So these are 35. These are 40 foot. And then the pull-throughs, no, these are 35, and then the pull-throughs are 45. But when you're winterized, everything's 15. Yep.
So if you come through here in the winter, take advantage of it because it's only $15. $15. You cannot beat that. You're saving money.
People complain about it because they say it's like hard to find, but like honestly, it's really not that hard.
Okay. It's not hard to find. You just read the directions on the sheet that they give you. It tells you to go past the BX. When you get to the 4-way stop, when you get to the 4-way stop, you keep going straight.
You don't turn.
You don't turn. You'll see a fire building on the left. It has siding on it.
It has siding and stairs, and it just looks like a big tower.
It is Fam Camp entrance. So you take a right
dirt road.
On a dirt road, come around.
It's a left, baby. Or no, it is right. You're right. So you make a right.
I've driven this baby so many times. I know what I'm talking about.
So it's a right. And then it's down a dirt road. I think a lot of people just get scared because they don't want to go to like a unauthorized location.
When you're on a base, you gotta kind of be careful where you're at.
Yeah, because you don't want to go to like an area that's not.
You just don't want to go to an area. So
yeah, an area that we're not supposed to be in.
These cabins, I'm not sure on the cabin prices, but there is.
The cabins are $35 or $45. I was looking at them. I think they're $35. But there's no toilet, there's no water, and there's no, basically it just has a bed, a bunk bed, and a heater, or an air conditioner.
A heater.
Yeah.
They do have swings on them, they're nice. One has a swing on it right
Honestly, $35 for a cabin to yourself, I wouldn't complain.
Jim is in the process of putting a swing on this one.
So right here, those are the cabins, and you literally just have to walk. And you go to the bathroom down there. It's not that far of a walk.
No.
I think it's pretty cool. The sunsets here. That's part of the thing that drew me to Wyoming. The sunsets are beautiful.
Wait, I thought I drew you to Wyoming.
I said part.
No, so we've been here for about 60 days. We're getting ready to hit the road.
You see a lot of bad reviews about this place, and I honestly don't know why. We've been to crappy places that we've spent way more than we needed to. This is... I wish my parents would have came and stayed here. It's just peaceful and quiet. Like, you see a lot of people come in and out of right here.
These are the... See, this one has no sewer. This one has no sewer. This one has no sewer, I don't think. These two, no sewer. Or these, I don't know. The leaves are covering it, so you really can't see what has sewer and what doesn't have sewer right now. And then all these trees they're dying off because of the fall, but when they bloom beautifully.
There was
And you can
tons.
walk
You
through
could
there
see.
and it's just nice.
There was tons of leaves. It was crazy. So there is a pack of coyotes that live that live on here, and I'll attach the video. Retreat went off at 4:30, and you could hear them howling. I mean, Houston were like, "What the heck?"
I knew I heard dogs last
Is
night.
that a dog or is that a coyote?
That's coyotes.
Lying.
I knew they were here.
They're coyotes? Where are they?
In that den over there. Dude, I knew they were here. They must have, because Carter went to the restroom, came back, and I heard them, I swear to God.
It was crazy. They're not like, they don't come. I haven't seen them at all. They just hang out. It's kind of like the antelope here.
So, but just be careful with your dogs.
Yeah.
And, or your little animals, cats, whatever it may be. A lot of people travel with cats.
But that's like everywhere. Wyoming's kind of rural. You have to be careful.
Yeah.
Be cognizant of your animals. Don't leave them outside at night. Look, kind of simple.
That's what I want when we get a...
See, there's the tower right there. You can't really see it though.
Yeah.
That sucks. That's the, I'll try to zoom in. That's the tower right there that you look for. You literally just turn right. When you see it, you turn right down a dirt road, and then you're here.
And keep on going. You cross 2 bridges, and you are here at the destination.
I like it. You can't beat the price. That's the office right there. It's pretty nice, honestly. So the washer and dryers, I think there's like 4 of each. They're in the office. There's a men's and women's bathroom, and they have 2 showers each, right?
Yeah, 2 showers. So yesterday,
Our 12-year-old took a shower in one.
Carter took a shower in one, I took a shower in the other. And yeah, we just cleaned up real quick since the water's off and sewer's off.
Yeah.
So I think it's fair just to leave it open for my wife and
So
the girls. I leave it open for the girls and the youngins.
yeah.
That way I could walk.
So that's
over
where
here.
you take the trash. But yeah. So you don't have to pay for showers like you do at Kirk County, but you have to pay for the washer and dryers. You said like $4, right?
Yeah, I don't even know what it is per washer, but these people are nice, man. They'll go out of their way to help you there. And so if you have any questions, ask them in the office because they will help you.
Well, and even if you can't find it, call the number that they give you on the thing.
I'm sure
Don't keep driving around because there is a bridge. We'll show it to you guys. It's over here. This lady took off her air conditioner because she drove through it in a Class A. It's specifically
4 people this year have taken it off due to this bridge.
It specifically says on it, don't drive with your camper under it. But people still do it. It blows my mind.
Yeah. And it says 11.6. Don't trust it because Jim brought up a good point. The ground has settled a little bit. The washout kind of goes into there.
Well, it's not like they grade underneath it.
So
you don't know how tall or how it
unless
really
you're really
is.
going to get out there and measure it, you don't know what it's really at.
So that's
This is the dump station
It's
here.
closed for the winter, but they have a full dump station. So if you do dry camp here for $15, you can dump. We've watched, so you can rent RVs on base, and we watched some guy try to figure out how to dump the camper. It was pretty funny, honestly.
Okay.
But
Dump station. Fam Camp, customers free. All others, $10. Used to be $5, but the economy we live in, $10 just to dump, can't beat it.
that's what the prison costs in Laramie. That's the sewer hookup.
As you can see,
It's closed for the winter.
locked up for the winter, baby.
Usually there's a hose right here.
The hose goes up here, but yeah,
It kind of stinks. Like, I love this place, but it kind of stunk that they closed it so early because it's not freezing yet. I feel like
Friday it's supposed to snow.
No.
Saturday it's supposed to snow.
I feel like we could have went a little bit longer. But if you don't have enough people here during the winter, then I get it. It still sucks. I love this space though. It has so much history to it. It's just cool to be at. The buildings, the houses, everything. No? Huh?
No, this place is beautiful. There's the bridge. So if you see that, back your rig up, baby.
Yeah, don't go there. I like the cool little sign they have. We took the kids a couple pictures underneath it. Just, you're in like a really cool spot on base. You can walk up that way more, and there's like a trail. See it all over the base. This place is just really peaceful and nice and quiet. We love it.
How old that sign is though.
It's so cool.
I don't know. This is the biggest tree though. Look at this thing. Look, I'm nothing compared to this.
You're gonna fall.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh. No.
So, till then, guys, follow along with us, see where we're going. Share, like, subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button down there. Watch some of our videos, just see where we're at, what we've done, and see what you guys think. Leave comments. Till then, keep on watching.